Hey students, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 12th tutorial of probability chapter 15th of standard 9th. In last session we have just done explanation as well as till example 10 from your textbook. Means over here explanation is done as well as examples are also done. And in this session, we will discuss about summary of this chapter. So, don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are answer of last homework, which I have given on last session, and second one is summary of this chapter. So, don't waste the time, go to the answer. And the question is 50 seeds were selected at random from each of 5 bags of seeds. At the time, total bags are 5, means total outcomes 5, and were kept under standardized conditions favorable to germination after 20 days. The number of seeds which had germinated in each collection were counted and recorded as follows in table. Means you should get these numbers from the table. And the question is, what is the probability of germination of? First question, more than 40 seeds in a bag. More than 40 seeds, over here we have only this one is so bags, right? So over here we can include only one bag. And second question, 49 seeds in a bag. So 49 seeds is not available in single bag. And the third question, between 35 and 40, including 35 and 40. So between 35 and 40, over here we can include 35 as well as 40. So over here 2 bags are available. So starting the answer, and the answer is total number of bags equals to 5, means total outcomes 5. And the possible outcomes for first one 40 seeds equals to 1, because there is only one bag, there are 40 seeds, right? So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 1 upon 5 equals to 0.2. Now second, 49 seeds. So there is not available 49 seeds in any single bag. So equals to 0. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 0 divided by 38 equals to 0. It is example of impossible event. Got it? And the third question, between 35 and 40. So we can include 35 and 40 only 2 bags. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 2 divided by 5 equals to 0.4. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Now go to the next. It's summary, and the basic formula of probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. Now probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. Means starting with the 0 and end up with 1, and we can include 0 and 1 both, right? Now what is probability? Means definition of probability is the number of ways of achieving success, or else the total number of possible outcomes. Got it? It is between 0 and 1. Now what is sure events? A sure event is an event which always happens. Means we are sure about any event, that is called sure event. Probability of sure event is 1. For sure event, possible outcomes equals to total outcomes. Now what is impossible events? An impossible event is an event which never happened. It won't be happen at any time, right? Probability is impossible event is 0, or else probability of impossible event is 0. Over here I should write of, but I made mistake, right? For impossible event, possible outcome equals to 0. Got it? Possible outcome is 0 because it won't be happen anytime. Now last, addition of all events is 1. Addition of all events is 1. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. I will start 15.1 from your textbook from next session. Okay? Bye-bye. We will meet in next session.